Hey guys, it's Joe here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Cat5 Ethernet cable. So what you're going to need is, first, you're going to need wire cutters, Cat5 modular plugs, and of course, Cat5 cable wire. So first, you got your cable wire, you got your wire cutters. So you just take the wire here. First you got to strip it. So you just insert it here. Strip it. Make sure it cuts it pretty good. So now you got that there. See, now it's nice and loose. So for what you need to do here, you need to match it up with the certain colors. It's orange, white, then orange, then green and white, then blue and white, then green, then brown and white, and then brown. So what you're going to do here is separate them. Alright, so there you go. Now you just got to straighten them out. So after that, after all of them here are plugged in, all ready to go, you can just use some electrical tape. Once you got that all taped up, now you're all set. Now you got yourself Cat5 Ethernet cable all set to go, all ready to use.